Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. This is me Imon Hussain. This is early in the morning, fresh morning, and how 5 minutes practice giving the result of my fluency of learning English. Today I'm going to share with you that because when I started my recording and when I was uploading my video quality and my mouth lackings was becoming clear, and because this was the practicing and I was practicing, then after slowly my weakness is becoming overcome by myself. And I know if somebody wants to really get a good result for their spoken English, definitely speaking is must. And if you are speaking with yourself, it's okay. But if you have a partner, so you are also get a advantage for improvement. Because self practice is important than everything. I think that. And whenever you will be alone, whenever no one will stay in your around, you have to take action for yourself. And if you don't take action for yourself, definitely you cannot get what you really want. And I feel everybody should need to focus on 5 minutes or 10 minutes or consistency maintaining. And I really proud of that is I practice every day, and I fail, but I stand again and again. This is the main on and only way to become good result. Whatever you are learning and whatever your goal, milestone, it is not easy for finishing milestone. The process never will be easy. It will hard and it will come the difficulties on your journey. But if you have like this mentality, so hard or easy doesn't matter, and I will work every single day. So definitely no one can stop you, no one can stop you to get success. And always try to pray in God for getting success. I hope from that you can very easily get a good success for yourself in this world. So we are just trying to get a good result, but we don't pray. That's also another bad habit for ourselves. We need to pray with our God. Then after the when we create a good connection with our God, and after automatically so our activity will be smoother, and then after we can get very easily our result, our habits we can make from that. If you're watching this video from YouTube and from other platform, hopefully you are learning something else for myself, because then I am recording my raw footage and I'm uploading, and which will really help you for your learning, for become a good at English. And so if you didn't subscribe yet, so subscribe must and follow this video, because then I really make sure that is I have to become better, and I have to update my speaking every single day. This is my promise, this is my commitment with myself. That's why I don't forget to record myself, because then I record, I improve, and I gain knowledge, and I get confidence. And why do you why don't you try this? Because if you want to boost your confidence, public speaking skills, so definitely this is one and only weapon for practicing English every single day. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you for the another one. Every single day, commit with yourself and speak with yourself. I hope you can get your best in your future. Thank you and bye bye. See you for the another one and for today's.